Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be painting a Roblox avatar known as VACzine. They requested that I paint their picture, and so here it is. Like my other Roblox paintings, I started with the pencil sketch and then going to go over it with ink and then finally add the watercolor. And in the case of this one, I had painted the background sort of yellowish, but after I was done I looked at my notes and realized they wanted a blue background. So you can see towards the end of the video how I tried to correct that. So enjoy! Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.